around towards me.
And it'll be just fine.
That's empty down there.
Huh?
I said that's empty down there.
Can you zoom in now?
Yes.
You want to try to take another shot?
Yes. There they are. Does not look like they're moving.
Which way is coming?
It's on this.
Going north?
No, I said does not look like it's moving.
Oh, alright. Can you zoom it in?
Yes.
Alright. Let's see if we can go down US 1.
There it is right there.
Where?
I can't see it now, but I can see just a little bit of the lights.
I can turn here.
No, there's a little.
I see him. See him in there? Oh, that's another one.
That's the light pole. Right there. Look behind the trees. See his light? Right there.
Let's go up and turn around again. Let's go down a little further. I didn't see the headlights.
There's the train right there.
Where did the number be at? On the side?
Yep. Camera doesn't get as good. There we
See it?
go. 422.
Yeah.
What's the other one?
I don't see that one.
That looks like the 511.
Can you go up a little further on? Got us blocked.
Yeah. They should cut them. Or they should turn that little space right there into a train viewing area. That would be a good idea. Just make a little train viewing platform with that space right there. Oh, can't see now. You hear it?
Yeah, it's running.
I think they're just sitting there on.
Alright, man, we're gonna have to shut it down. I'm tired. It's only 2 engines. Why do you think it's 2 engines just sitting there? Huh?
That's the air. Huh?
Why do you think it's just 2 engines sitting there?
Because that's the engines that they're probably about to put in the yard, or they put in, or they had in the yard.
Yeah. Oh well. Either they waiting on somebody. What do you think the deal is? Go ahead and cut mine off.
There's some. Oh, I see a guy with a flashlight down there. Yeah, no. Is that the guy with the flashlight? I don't know. Here you go.
Sit down. Sitting there, boy. It's up below. I can't see it. Can't pull off the numbers. Right back